Our third and final portrait that will be unveiled today is the portrait of Judge Dougherty-Bichsel. And to help with the unveiling of that portrait is Michelle Slinkard. Michelle?
I'm Michelle Slinkard, and I'm a friend of Lori's. I was honored when Lori asked me to introduce her today. She tells me I'm one of her best friends, but we'll see after today. But in all honesty, I'm very proud of you, Lori, and I think of you like a sister. I've known Lori now for over 10 years. Before I met Lori, she was in Arizona. She graduated from the University of Arizona. And then she subsequently graduated from the University of Kansas School of Law. Family brought Lori to Kansas. After law school, Lori has held a wide variety of positions. She worked in 2 district attorney's offices. She was the prosecutor for the metropolis of Maple Hill. She was the associate litigation counsel for the Board of Healing Arts. She was assistant city attorney in the litigation division here in the city of Topeka. Then she went into private practice. After private practice, she went to the Department of Aging and Disability as senior counsel. And because she still had energy after all of that, she became the City of Topeka Municipal Court Judge. And because all of that was still not enough, she aimed her sights even higher and became your newest Shawnee County District Court Judge. As is evidenced by all of her accomplishments at such a young age, Lori is very bright and extremely driven. She is dedicated and she is an extremely hard worker. She puts 100% into everything she does. Yet she still has enough energy, love, and devotion to go home and share those qualities with her family every night. Family is very important to Lori. She is married to Brandon Bichsel. They have 2 wonderful boys, Tyler and Liam. These 2 boys bring absolute joy to Lori. I've gotten to know Lori and her family very well over the years. These are the 2 of the best kids you will ever meet. You can tell that they are really loving and caring, and they have really excellent role models with both Brandon and Lori. As I mentioned, I've known Lori now for more than a decade. We travel together. We're those people that go to Texas in the summer and Chicago in December. And but for the pandemic, we'd be in Chicago right now, probably eating Giordano's pizza. I'm hoping that we can make up for our lost travels next year. At this point, I have still failed to get Lori on a cruise boat because she has to see land at all times. But I'm hoping one of these days I get you on that cruise boat. I thought that there might be some fun facts that you should probably know about Lori. The first thing, and it's probably for those attorneys that practice in front of her, most importantly, do not talk to Lori until she has had her morning coffee. No words, she needs her coffee first. She lives in Green Acres, which I find just very ironic. You know, the 1960s sitcom, she literally lives there. She lives in the country. She has chickens that she has named after the U.S. Supreme Court justices. She has 2 dogs and is 1 cat short of being called the cat lady at this point. Fun fact number 3, asked to see her Bank of America debit card. The picture was taken when she was 15 years old. She still looks exactly the same. Also, a good fun fact to know about Lori: if you are caught in a snowstorm in Chicago in the middle of December in Lincoln Park Zoo, she will hide out with you in a plastic log until you can feel your fingers again. The only cuisine I have found that Lori truly enjoys is Peruvian food, but she is a fantastic cook. She has also helped build at least 1 home for Habitat for Humanity. I'm not sure it's still standing, and I would not trust her with any sharp objects. I hope that gives you a small glimpse of who Lori is. I hope you all truly enjoy her as much as I have. I consider her like a sister to me. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for allowing me the honor to do this today. And we shall look at Lori's picture here that will hang on these walls forever now.
Thank you, Michelle, for the introduction today. We're still friends, and it's accurate. Don't talk to me until I've had my coffee. In my defense, I try and drink coffee on my commute here, so that I'm halfway decent by the time you see me, but I make no promises. So to the TBA, thank you very much for this judicial portrait, and to Mark at Worcester's Photography. I'm especially grateful for, as you put in our session, a little extra sleep under my eyes and a little more relaxed forehead. A good photographer is truly a girl's best friend. I'd like to thank my family and friends, and especially my husband, Brandon. My family and friends, you know who you are, you know how amazing you are, and I wouldn't be in this position today without your encouragement, support, and borderline harassment to always work harder and be better than I was the day before. I am honored to be here with my two outstanding colleagues, Judges Moylan and Pickering. I'm proud to have my portrait included among so many people who have broken barriers and set out to follow the law, no matter how challenging the issues or times. And we really see that right now with the pandemic. Coming in May 28th, I had no idea what I was in store for. I don't think anybody had any idea what we were in store for, but the patience and the grace that the Bar Association has shown me, and especially the fabulous domestic bar, has been so helpful and so appreciated. Every one of my colleagues, whether it's my fellow judges, court personnel, Veronica, my assistant, who is amazing, everybody has been willing to offer insight, experience, advice that I have as I've taken on this new role. And it's amazing to be in a position where you have that support. Something as simple as I really like this blue pen, and the next day a box shows up on my desk. Little things like that are so helpful as we take on this role. I look forward to continuing to work with all of you as we strive to uphold justice and to serve our community. I don't have much to say. It's very hard to follow these people. They have done an amazing job. I echo their sentiments as to how much we really appreciate the support that we get from our community. Whether it's the people that appear in front of us, the pro se people, the represented people, just thank you. I don't have anything else but thank you for this opportunity. So with that, please enjoy your holiday season. Be well, wear your mask, social distance, and I look forward to meeting you without masks in the coming future.